Hello, I'm Grant from MakerVlog and the Big Bang. Now, I know this is another scientific one and you're probably thinking, when the fuck are you going to actually build something? But I'll get to it. These are filler. So, the Big Bang, or the Big Bang Theory, not the TV show, the actual theory, is that there was an explosion or a rapid expansion of space, and that's where everything came from. Fair enough. Sounds simple enough, and it's currently accepted as the main theory, because there's they can't quite prove it, but they have things that lead it to being more likely. But I have an issue with it in that everything in the universe that we know so far goes in cycles. So people, they're born, they generally have kids and then die. Their kids grow up, have kids, die, so on, so forth. Same as is true of trees. They grow, they die, plants, animals, everything, even planets and stars. I tried to say sun and star, came out as statar, I meant stars, even stars. So all of these things go in a cycle. They're created or born in essence, and eventually they die, and bits of them then go and form other stars or planets, and the whole cycle continues. So if that's accepted as the state of the universe, that everything sort of goes in a cycle, the idea of the Big Bang doesn't quite fit into that as it stands, because there was the expansion of space and it's still expanding. Now I had the idea or the thought, and it might not be the first one, probably not, I'm sure someone has used this and probably disproven it as an idea, but I thought, what if we're not so much expanding as we are? And I thought of this as rotating, but it doesn't necessarily need to be, because there may not have been more than one Big Bang. There might have been multiple. But I'm working out of the idea that there was one. If there was one, what if we're not expanding as we are so much rotating? And it's a cycle. And all of the crap that came out of the expansion is just going round, and eventually it'll meet at the other end, at the other pole, for want of a better word, and it'll all collide and compact and compress and then explode. And the cycle will happen again. It will then go and hit another one, and so on and so forth. And the same would apply if there was multiple Big Bangs, in that the material and matter that was coming out from the expansion is then going to hit other material from other expansions, and they're going to collide, and whenever enough of those collide, there's going to be another one, and the cycle will continue. Yeah, so that was the thought I'd had about it. Could be bollocks, probably is, but the good thing is these things happen billions of years, so I'll be long dead by the time anyone has a chance to prove me wrong.